Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can zip up the contents of your WordPress website. So let's get right into it. Now, firstly, I just want to explain what it's used for. Usually, zipping up your contents is used for exporting and importing your website onto a different service. It is in general very easy to do. Usually sites already have this functionality. Sadly, WordPress does not have it, so I'll show you what happens if we try to export our site. If we go into tools and go into export, it's gonna ask me to select what I want to export, click download export file. It's gonna download an XML, which we don't have any use of. Now, if you want to get content to zip up, you do need to download it through a hosting service or through an FTP client. You can use cPanel or an FTP client for this, and I'll be showing you this article which details how you can do that. I'll be using this because I don't have a cPanel account, and neither do I have an FTP client. I'm on the free version of WordPress, and I really can't install any of this, whatever it is. Now, through cPanel, what you need to do is go into your account and go into File Manager, and under Public HTML, whatever you do, whatever you use, Public HTML is where you want to go, and then search for WP-content in both methods, and then you can choose on cPanel. Once you locate WP content, just choose compress, and then select a zip file, and then you'll need to click download, and that's it. Now on FTP, you need to select WP content and start the download, and then after all the content is downloaded, only then can you zip it up into an archive itself, and that's pretty much the finish line. That's pretty much it. You do need to compress them to import them into several services, several site builders, so I do recommend you do this in whichever way you can. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Sadly, there is no way to do this through WordPress itself. You might find a plugin, however, I'm not sure how well that works, but you do you. Try it out and tell me if it works. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.